Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon or evening depending upon the time and time zone you are watching this video from. I'm Gautam, Academic Faculty, Department of Data Science, Uncodemy Group. So guys, in today's video we are going to understand about the basic operations that we can perform in a list. List is going to be one of the most important data structure that we are going to study in our Python for Data Science subject. A list, we can store all the columns, individual columns in list. Any type of data we can store in list. And let's see certain basic operations. So over here list1, I have created a variable list1, it's there. Now let us say if I want to reverse this list, so it's starting from 9 and going all the way to 1, so it's going 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. If I would reverse it, how it would seems like it would be somewhere similar to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's do it. So I'll do list1 dot reverse, or let me do it in next line. I'll just simply run it and then I'll do list1 dot reverse. See, it's done, but it's not showing us because we have not printed the list. Let me print the list1 now, and it will give me from 1 to 9. So the original list contained values from 9 to 1, and now once I reversed it, it's giving me from value 1 to 9. Now let's say that apart from list, what else we can do? I can also do the sort. What sort basically do? It will create this entire list in a particular order. So let me show it how we can do it. List1 dot sort, and now list1 is already sorted. I mean, it's already in ascending order, so it's done. I'll first run it once again, so that if I'll print list1 now, it will give from 9, and now if I run this sort, it will by default sort this entire list. So see, list also sort also did the same thing as reverse, because I already had initially I had this entire list in decreasing order, in descending order, and once I sorted it, it gives us in the ascending order. Now if I need to fetch out the last element that is present, so I'll again create the same list from 9 to all the way to the 1. If I need to fetch out the last element, that means if I need to remove 1 which is present at the last index of the list, so what I can do is pop. If I do pop, it will remove 1. So it has given us 1. Now if I run list1, it will give us values from 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2, not 1 anymore, because 1 has been popped out. So see, all the way to the 1 only. Let us say if I need to fetch out the value 7. So 7 is present at the index 2, 0, 1 and 2. At index 2, 7 is present. I'll just pass the index within the pop function. I'll just pass the index of the element that I need to pop out. Now it will give us 7, and now 7 is also removed from this list. If you wanna see, I run it once again. See, 7 has been popped out. This is how we can do like basic operations. Let's check some more. There's one more, we say remove. So remove and pop basically do almost the same thing, that is to fetch out the element, to delete the element from the data structure, that is list. But the fundamental difference between pop and remove is, under the remove we can pass the value that we want to remove. Under the pop we need to pass the index number of the particular value that we want to remove. Let's see how. In remove, I'll pass the value, let's say 4. 4 is present here. I need to remove 4 from this list. So I'll pass 4. And now if we see, 4 has also been deleted from the list. So this video was a short tutorial on the basic operations of list. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any doubt, please flood this comment section. We have excellent set of trainers over here. We have excellent set of counselors over here. So please do not hesitate to make the call at the contact number provided at the end of this video. Stay tuned guys. Gautam signing off. May God bless you all.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number